Welcome to e-learning series with Cambridge. In today's lesson, we will learn about sentence. What is a sentence? A group of words which makes complete sense is called sentence. So it must have a complete sense, a complete meaning. For example, writes Mary a letter. Does it make any sense? No. So this is not a sentence. Mary writes a letter. It makes complete sense and it has a complete meaning. So this is a sentence. Parts of sentence. When we make sentence, we name a person or a thing that is our subject. Means whom we talk about in our sentence is our subject. And what we tell about that person or a thing is our predicate. Example, Michael plays football. So whom we talk about here? We talk about Michael. So here Michael is our subject. And what we tell about Michael? That he plays football. So plays football is our predicate. So subject is a doer of an action. Who does action in the sentence is our subject. Predicate tells something about a subject. In other words, what subject does is our predicate. For example, Michael plays football. So who does action here? Michael is a doer of an action. What he does? He plays football. That is predicate. So doer of the action is subject and what the subject does is predicate. Kinds of sentences: assertive sentences, interrogative sentences, imperative sentences, and exclamatory sentences. First, we will learn about assertive sentences. Assertive sentences are also called declarative sentences. Assertive sentences gives us an information and ends with full stop. It has two types, affirmative sentences and negative sentences. How can we identify these two? On the basis of these words, no, not, nothing, and never. Means if a sentence gives us an information and ends with full stop and also has these words in it, no, not, nothing, then it means it is a negative sentence. If it doesn't have these words, then it means it is an affirmative sentence. Let's take an example. Tom goes to school daily. So this sentence gives us an information about Tom. And this sentence ends with full stop. So this is an affirmative sentence. Tom does not go to school daily. So not word comes here. So this is a negative sentence. Interrogative sentences. These sentences ask questions. These sentences must have question mark. For example, are you playing in the match? So this sentence ends with question mark and here you are asked a question. So this is an interrogative sentence. Where are you from? Again, this sentence ends with question mark. So this is an interrogative sentence. Imperative sentences. These sentences express orders, requests, and advice. So in imperative sentence, any order, request, or advice is given. Examples, please give me 1 glass of water. It is a request, so it means this is an imperative sentence. Next, don't smoke here. It is an advice, so this is also an imperative sentence. Exclamatory sentences. These sentences express strong or sudden feelings like happiness, joy, and sadness. These sentences must contain exclamatory mark. These sentences mainly contain hurrah, alas, wow, what, and how, etc. words in it. It means we can identify these types of sentences with the help of these words of expression and with the help of exclamatory mark. Examples: how big it is. This is an exclamatory sentence because it expresses the emotion of surprise and it ends with exclamatory mark. What a beautiful picture. This is also an exclamatory sentence because it expresses strong feeling, strong emotion, and it ends with exclamatory mark. Let's take an overview so that you will learn it completely. First type, assertive sentences. These sentences must be positive or negative. Interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences must have question mark with it. And then our third type, that is imperative sentences. It expresses orders, requests, or advice. And then last, exclamatory sentences. It must contain exclamatory mark with it. So these four are the types of sentences.